Good evening, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing yet another Jaguar XF. Absolutely stunning vehicle. This 2.2 diesel premium luxury Sportbrake, priced at £11,495, 69,000 miles, 2 owners from new, 10 services in total, and had the cam belt replaced at 50,000 miles. So Italian racing red, proper ivory leather, not barley. As you can see, 19-inch alloys, 2012 on a 62 plate, latter part of 2012. Has got the LED running lights, but they're turned off at the moment. Front park sensors, sorry, it's got the 18-inch alloy wheels. I can see on the door handles it's got keyless entry, so it'll have keyless start. Rear park sensors, can see up underneath there, has the reverse camera, privacy glass, absolutely immaculate Italian racing red paintwork. Inside, Meridian Hi-Fi, yeah, ivory leather, heated seats, electric steering column, paddle shift. I can see it's got memories for the electric driver seat, electric column, paddle shift, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, as I say, DAB digital radio, reverse camera, Jaguar fitted mats. This car is in absolutely outstanding condition. Don't know whether you can tell from the video or the photos, but so clean everywhere. No marks on the paintwork. Italian racing red is absolutely glistening. Hit the button for the power tailgate. Here we go. Beautiful in there. Absolutely immaculate boot area. Hit the power tailgate button. What a lovely example. Wheels unmarked, Goodyear premium tyres all round with lots of tread on, brakes on all rusty, keyless entry, so the little black rubber square on the door handles and the tailgate, unmarked door card, lovely and clean, Meridian Hi-Fi, memories for the driver's seat, multi-function steering wheel, 69,250 miles. Now remember, 10 services and a cam belt replacement, heated seats, electric handbrake, cruise control and ASL speed limiter, 2 different types of cruise. I've already checked the reverse camera. It's one of the clearest I've seen. Just select it for you. Losing a bit of light now, but super clear. Got no water in it or anything. We hit menu, obviously DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, satellite navigation, obviously, heated seats, everything you would need, along with paddle change on the steering wheel, electric steering column, AUX and USBs. Absolutely mint. £11,495, the nicest XF estate car we've had for that sort of money. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other XFs, saloons and sport brakes in stock all the time, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels on Facebook or Instagram. If you do, please follow us. This video and all of our car videos are hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube, we've got nearly 2,000 vehicle videos on there, and this one. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you will be the first to get a little notification to your phone each time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. Thank you very much for your time this evening, and goodbye.